Hi guys, compliment of the season. This is Metric Trading Professionals. I hope we had a smooth trading experience in the year 2022. Yeah, this is 2023, and I'm very optimistic that it's gonna be a lovely year for traders. I am so optimistic that we'll make lots of money. All right, we are starting with the first thing, which is training. We're starting with training. We already had free trainings before now, and I know that a lot of persons outside benefiting already. It's still open, the opportunity is still there. We are still going to be training people for free. Okay. So I want to quickly give us what our model is, present our model to every one of us for the training, which is from basic to professional. So let's look at what we have. Get to the next page. Okay, let me just start here. First of all, it's important to understand that we have our free offer. Number one in the list is the training, and then we have the copy trading, where we uh looking at making as much as 50% profit monthly, and then maximum drawdown of 15%, and 70-30 sharing ratio between the investor and the trader. Now, when I use the word investor, please take note, you are not giving us any money. You open your account and you fund it. Okay, please take note of that. Then the minimum deposit is $100. Then signing up with us would give you an advantage of having a free trading robot or indicator. Then also we are planning free robot training as well and indicator training. So we have a lot to gain to benefit from this community. So just ensure you sign up by the end of the day, okay? So our first model is this. We have the basic class, the foundational class, where we would first look at the introduction to Forex. What is Forex? We'll talk about the market participants, the structures, what is traded based on quote currencies as well. We'll look at the structure of the financial market. Then we'll go to the second one there, where we'll talk about forex sessions, brokers, and trading platforms. We'll also look at the functions of the Meta 5. We'll talk about the ask bid price and spread, as well as swap. Then we'll talk about the types of order, entry prices, stop loss, take profit. Then we'll discuss pips and pipettes. We'll talk about lot sizes, how to calculate lot sizes, how to calculate pips, different types of lot sizes as well. Then number 5, we'll be talking about trend. We're talking about ranging market. We'll talk about retracements, support, and resistance. Then types of analysis, types of trading, then risk management. There is really much, but we'll look at all of it, and they form our foundation. So if you are novice, you are expected to start here. And the next model is for advanced. If you've already gone through the basic class and what you need is advanced class, then we get it covered. We'll be talking about MTF trading, that's multi-time frame trading. Then we'll look at order flow, candlesticks, price patterns, indicators. We'll look at Fibonacci techniques, premium and discount zones. We'll look at the equilibrium zone. Then we'll look at where you should buy during ranging market and sell as well during ranging market. So Fibonacci will learn how to use Fibonacci whether the market is trending or ranging. We're going to discuss all of it. Okay. Then we'll talk about the quarter theory. So we'll talk about candlesticks and Fibo, candlesticks and moving average, then candlesticks and zones. We'll look at that. Then we'll have introduction into fundamentals. Some persons say fundamentals are not important, but as time goes on, we'll know if they're important. We'll look at how we can incorporate it, how we can trade better with a sound knowledge with the fundamentals. Then the final one, which is the professional course and mentorship, we are going to be working strictly with price action. We'll be looking at SMCs, smart money concept, other blocks, imbalances. We'll go into the different parts of imbalances like the fair value gap, the liquidity void, buy side, sell side inefficiencies. We'll talk about lots of inefficiencies in the market. Okay, so we're going to go deep into it, and then we'll look at the flip zones, fractals, resting liquidity. We'll do a lot about liquidity, breaker mitigation, QML. We'll look at liquidity sweep. Then we'll talk about buy side, sell side liquidity. Then we'll also talk about volume gap, which is also known as validated gap, then inducements. Then we go deeper into fundamentals, how we can trade with fundamentals. You understand what to do when there's NFP, when there is FOMC, when there's retail sales, CPI, and those news. We'll talk about a lot. So we really have a lot to benefit. By the end of the first quarter, as many that will join us from January, by the end of the first quarter of 2023, you should have been proud of what you've gotten from this whole training. Okay. So how are you going to benefit? Just go straight, sign up for our copy trade and free training on our site. That is the link over there. You just sign up. Okay. Sign up on that page. Then join our Telegram with this username at mtradingpro. You can also join our WhatsApp. There's the link over here. Okay. Then sign up, very importantly, very, very important. Okay. Sign up and fund your account with Star Trader using this link. All right. You are not paying us any money. So whatever you fund on your account is your money. You can withdraw anytime. Okay. You trade on it as well. We help you trade. Look at the copy trade. You are not paying us to trade for you. You just fund your account and we'll get it connected to our master trader and we'll trade on it. And like I said earlier, when I started this, we are looking at making as much as 50% monthly profit for you on the copy trade, and our maximum drawdown is 15% monthly. Then this is the sharing ratio, and your minimum deposit is $100. Okay. Then you also stand a chance of getting a free trading robot, an indicator, and free robot and indicator creation training as well. Wow, that's amazing. So if you have any question, you can just come to one of our social medias and ask, and we'll be there to respond to you. If you have not followed this channel, just ensure to follow this channel, as we'll be having lots of information regarding trading this year, okay, on this channel. So do well to follow us, okay. Just remember that we have you covered from the foundational course to the advanced to the professional. So if you already understand the advanced courses and you understand the basic courses, just what you need is the professional course. You can get started. All right. So I will be starting by the second week of January. We'll resume classes. Okay, very important to note that you have to sign up with Star Trader and get your account funded for us to start classes. Okay, it's not a big deal to ask. You are not paying M Trading Professionals. This training is being powered by Star Trader. Okay, it's being powered by Star Trader. You can check out Star Trader on WikiFS. They have good rating. They are good brokers. You can work with them. All right. So thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely celebration. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye.